So here, okay, here you have a question like this. How many grams, that is your unknown, how many grams in 3.5 moles of magnesium, which is your given? 3.5 moles of magnesium. Okay, what is the symbol for magnesium? Mg. And what is the mass, molar mass from your periodic table, not from the other one, because that is not rounded to 24.31 gram. So, I am going to write a conversion factor like this. You can write as a statement, 1 mole of magnesium is equal to 24.31 gram of magnesium. Okay, now draw a T chart. Just draw a T chart. See, we are learning dimensional analysis, the drawing T chart, writing unit, writing identity, all these are important. I am teaching the process, so you have to do that in that way. Okay, so here on top left corner, always we will write the given number. So you are going to write 3.5. Whenever you write unit mole, you don't need an AE there, just MOL. 3.5 moles of magnesium. Then, those who are struggling how to place the numbers, I will copy this unit down first. So now I know I have to write how many moles. So I know that it is 1 mole of magnesium, and I'm going to convert that into grams, so which will be what? 24.31 grams of magnesium. Okay, since your unknown is on the top, that means next step, we are going to cancel the moles of magnesium and moles of magnesium from top and bottom. They always need to diagonally match. If they are not diagonally matched, means you made a mistake. So then get the numbers onto your calculator, multiply. So you have 3.5 on the top and 24.31 multiply, and there is only 1 at the bottom. You don't need to divide with 1. Then give me the answer with the correct sig fig. Okay, we'll talk about that in a minute. See, about the significant figures, we learned the rules in 0.5. Always use the lowest sig fig. But you will never use 1 mole or this number to consider for sig fig reason. These are constants. So easy way to decide like this. Look at the given number. How many sig fig in the given number? 2. Give me the answer in the given number sig fig. For all dimensional analysis, you can write a note somewhere, okay? For dimensional analysis, write the answer with the given number sig fig. So what is the answer is? 85, and you have to write the unit. What is the unit now left over here? Grams, and the identity is what? Mg. Good? Okay, so just put a star mark and write. Otherwise, you will ask me every single day how many sig fig, how many sig fig. Okay, right. Always use sig figs of the given number. Let's try the next one. And this is actually, there is a typo. I'm going to take all that out. I just write Fe now. Yeah. So given number has how many significant digits? 3.52 digits. So I need answer in 2. You have to round your final answer to get 2 sig fig. Yes.
Will we have to do the mole thing on stuff that has like multiple, like everything?
Like this one?
Like multiple.
Like writing units? You are asking whether you need to write mole or mg every single time?
No. Well, like, cause you crossed out the 3. Like, would we have to do it on like ones that have 3?
I don't understand what you are asking. Sorry.
No, but
No, someone else. What is it?
like you always have to eliminate that 3 when you see it, right?
What 3?
Asking if there's going to be a question like this, the one that you just crossed out on the test.
No, you don't need to. It's a typo. Okay. Oh, sorry. See, how many grams are there in 6 moles of Fe? Okay, this is actually Fe3O4. It was a compound. Okay, that is not typed there. That's why I took it off. Oh, I understand. Okay, so that's why it is asking for formula, but we just need the symbol here because I gave you the symbol already. Symbol is Fe and molar mass of iron is what? 55.85? Yes. So now start the T chart. Okay, so look at this. If you want to write the conversion factor for your convenience, you can write that every single time. 1 mole of Fe is equal to 55.85 grams of Fe. That's up to you. I don't want to see that on your test paper. If you are writing, that's good. Or if not, that doesn't affect your grade, okay? But everything on the T chart, you have to write it. I don't care whether you are lazy or not. You have to write it to get a good point. Okay, so we'll start from the given. What is the given number? 6.0 moles of Fe. And since the unit is mole, I will write moles of Fe here. And I know moles will be always 1 mole. Yes.
Is the test for this written?
Yes, it's on paper. 1 mole of Fe is equal to 55.85 grams of Fe. So now you can cross moles of Fe and moles of Fe. Then there is 6.0 times 55.85 multiply and give me the answer in how many sigfig? 2 sigfig because the given number has 2 significant digits. So what is 6 times 55.85? Much? 335 has 3 sigfig. I need 4 sigfig. 2 sigfig. 340. 340 grams of Fe. Kyle, why do you need a Chromebook there? Okay, good? Okay, now I'm going to teach you the backward method. This question I have given you moles. You find the mass. The other one is the opposite. You can do it. What is it? You have mass given and you are converting mass to what? Moles. Mass to moles. So write the conversion, same conversion from the other page. You can write moles on the top divided by molar mass on the bottom or other way. I am repeating that, okay? You just need only one, but I am writing both. Okay, this time you have to do something else because it is an ionic compound. Say sodium sulfate. Okay. Again, what is the formula for sodium sulfate is? SO, Na, NaSO4, wrong. Na2SO4 is right. Because sulfate has a charge of 2, sodium has a charge of 1, we will do what? Crisscross, yes. So those who don't know, just write that down. One more time, okay? This is not a new learning, like this. Right. So, write the formula for sodium sulfate. Always review your ionic compound naming, okay? Kyle, what happened? Where is your note packet is? Get a new note packet and write. It's very important. Okay, you can't sit like that.
I was just gonna wait for her to just send it to me so I could just
But you have to write it. Okay, it's practice. Just get a new note packet. I have extra. No problem. Okay, so molar mass. How will you find the molar mass? We learned last class. You remember? You have to find the mass of each atom multiplied with how many, then add them. So I'm going to show you how to write that in one line. Sodium is what? Go find 22.99 and there are 2 sodium. Multiply with the 2. And sulfur is 32.07. There is only 1, so you don't need to multiply. Okay? Plus oxygen, it is 16 times what? 4. Okay, do that and give me the mass.
Wait, did you write 2D at the beginning?
22.
Where is it? This one? This is a 22.99. So you are finding the total atom's mass, that is the molar mass of a compound is. Anyone has the answer?
94.0.
9. What?
142.
Oh wait, maybe he did.
142.05.
142.05 gram of Na2SO4. I don't have space to write. Okay, assume that's there. Okay, now what is the next step? T-chart. What will go on the top left corner? The given, which is 13.2 grams of sodium sulfate. Okay, what is the unit here? What is it? Grams of sodium sulfate. So I'm going to copy that down so that will help you to decide which will go on the bottom. Which will go on the bottom? The molar mass, which is in gram, 142.05. If you need to write the conversion, you can write. Okay, I didn't write this time. 1 mole of sodium sulfate is equal to 142.05 grams of sodium sulfate. That is a conversion you are using. Okay, so 142.05 grams of sodium sulfate is 1 mole of sodium sulfate. Now, I'm going to cancel the units which are matching same, diagonally opposite, which is grams of sodium sulfate and grams of sodium sulfate. And I have 13.2 and 1 on the numerator and 142.05 on the denominator. So you will multiply these two and divide. So if it is 1, you don't need to multiply. So just divide 13.2 with what? 142.05 and give the answer in how many sig fig? 3 sig fig. So you will get a small number because, yes, what is the answer? 0.09. How many we needed? How many sig fig? 3. This is only 1.
0.092.
What is the next numbers? 29. Because leading zeros are never significant. Okay. Grams of sodium sulfate. Okay, just to refresh your knowledge for or memory for the sig figs, okay? The videos are there. You can watch it. Yes.
I put it in right, like the same way you did it, and I got 0.09100.
0.912?
But everyone else did, so like they're right. I just did something wrong with my calculator.
Maybe you mistyped one number. Just check it. Maybe typed one number. That's why. Otherwise, the calculator won't mess up like that. Okay, so let's try the next one. I will pause for a second and you guys try it. Then I will do it, okay? Okay, are you ready? It says H2O. You know the formula for H2O. It is already given. Molar mass of water is what? 18.02 gram. And you are going to draw a T chart. 18.0 grams of H2O. 18.0 grams of H2O will go on the top left corner. Then you will write 18.02 gram of H2O is equal to how many moles? 1 mole of H2O. And you will get that. This one is small, okay? I wrote grams earlier. Just edit that. So moles of H2O. It is how many moles? 4.44? Okay, are you all good? Okay, so now what we are going to do, go to the next page. And I'm going to select every other questions now. So do 1, 3, 5, 7 in class and the other 4 as a homework. You all understand? All odd numbers right now. And we will check the answers once everyone is done. Or if I need to do any of the question, I can do it. Here, first question. The answer is 2.2 moles of lithium. How many of you got that? Oh, good. Okay, number 3 is 190 gram because we have to round. Good job. Okay, now number 5 is 360 gram.
Yep. 3 is 1.
How many of you got that?
How'd you get that?
Okay, look here. What? Look, if you mess up on your formula, you will not get the correct answer. What is the formula for potassium sulfide is? K2S. How many of you got that correct? Yeah. If you mess up on the formula, you will get a different answer. Which two? Oh, you got 100 on your ionic compound test. I will take that points off. How? See, sulfur has a charge of 2, potassium has a charge of 1. Do the crisscrossing. For ionic compound, you have to do the crisscrossing. For covalent compound, yes. Number 3? Yes, I did. Sodium has a charge of Na1, fluoride has a charge of 1. So it is 1 is to 1.
Wait, what did you get for number
1.26?
What? I got 2 points.
Number 7 is, yes. Number 7 is 0.031.
Wait, Huey, what did you get for 4?
Okay, so take your time. Gabriel is searching for me. Still didn't find it. Maybe he will spend the whole period for searching for me. That's fine.
No,
So,
don't worry, he's okay. It's just
okay, I'm going to teach the next one. Okay, let's go to the next page. Let's go to the next page. You all there with me? Yes. It is saying mole and you are converting that into how many. How many means how many particles are there. Okay, question to you. What are the different terminology we learned last class for particles? Molecules, then atoms, then ions, then one more. Formula unit. So just write a quick review. Whenever you see element, we will use the particle name atoms. All elements are made of atoms. And if you see a covalent compound, we will call the individual building block are what? Molecules. If you see an ionic compound, the individual units are called formula unit. We will call them FUN. F-U-N. If you want to write the whole thing, it's on your note packet. But write one more formula unit. Okay, so here I am going to teach you how to convert moles into particles. So last class we have seen the video and Avogadro said 1 mole of anything contains how many? 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 particles. You have to memorize this number. So it is called mole or Avogadro number because Avogadro introduced this. Who? It is not avocado, okay? Avogadro. Avogadro.
Oh, I do have your address now, Miss M. How could you review that, Miss M?
No, you will never get my address.
11387 Wentworth Drive.
No, that's not my.
Yo! Maybe she's denying. Maybe she's the face says it all.
Hey boys, put the Chromebook away.
I
Hey,
still don't have your YouTube channel.
that's good. Okay, so here, question, it is asking how many particles in 4 moles of iron. Iron is an element, compound. What is it? Element. So particles are called what? Atoms. Go and write the representative particles in an element called atoms. That is the terminology. That's a unit. You have to use it. Okay, I'm going to write the conversion factor one more time. 1 mole of iron will be containing 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 atoms of iron or Fe atoms. You can write whatever you want. Atoms of Fe or Fe atoms, both will work. 1 mole of anything contains 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. Whenever I ask how many in 1 mole, always you have to give me this number back. Okay. Now, as always, we are going to draw a T chart. Then everything else is the same, okay? So, you have the given which is 4 moles of Fe. So, 4 moles of Fe, we know that the unit is moles. I am going to write every 1 mole of Fe, there is how many particles? 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 Fe atoms or atoms of Fe. What?
No.
You guys good? Okay, now,
Wait, actually, I am confused.
yes, confused with what?
Mole, like for the, why is the mole not go on top of the other mole?
What is the given?
4.
Mole. So we will convert. The question is you have 4 moles of iron. You have to find how many particles in 4 mole. We know that 1 mole contains this many particles. So that is how. Yes.
On like the written test, if we draw a T-chart, we mess up the order, but we still get the right answers, that turns out.
Yes. So dimensional analysis, this is how I am grading the test. Look. So this will be 1 point, this will be 1 point, this will be 1 point. If you don't have the identity or if you don't have the unit, you will lose point. Even though you got the correct answer, because dimensional analysis, we are teaching the process. Final answer is also important, but you have to do that in a certain way. Yes.
So we miss any measurements.
40 questions. Isn't it like 40 questions?
On your test?
Yeah.
No, it is 9 questions on the paper assessment.
What's this one?
You said that.
What?
Yeah, you said it's
It is the biggest unit. There will be 2 parts. There are 10 questions on your computer online Canvas one and 9 question on the paper, you will get total 3 hours to finish it. But basically, if you know the things, you can, not, sorry, 1 hour, my bad. Oh, that's a lot. I had to stay after school then. Okay, let's come back to the point now. So, moles of Fe, you will cancel out. You are going to multiply 4 times with the 6.02. What is the answer is? Okay, how many sig figs? So, this is 2 times 10 to the power of 24 atoms of Fe. Because
Wait, can we just put it in decimal form?
it 24 zeros? You crazy? Yeah. No abbreviation for atoms. You have to write the whole thing. ATM is it's different thing. It's called atmosphere. Yes.
Oh, are you guys telling me what the answer is for 8 on the
ATM's
last
at the
page?
moment, bro.
Say that again one more
The
time.
answer for 8 on the last page.
8 on the last page.
Yeah, like the practice thing.
I didn't do it. I can show you the answer, Kia. Yeah. Which is 5.7 times 10 to the power of.
Wait, hold up, what? No, 8 on the last page. The number 8 is 3.4 times.
On page 10. On page 10.
How's the page 10?
On page 10.
This is page 10.
Is that the on level?
It should be 3.4 times.
Yeah, that's its own level. I'll find the other key. Okay, I don't know. I'll find it. Okay, so do you need help with this one, or you guys can do it? You got it? Yeah, I'll do. Yeah, I'll do these 3. Okay. Okay, let's do it. So this one, it says calcium carbonate. What type of compound is that? Ionic. So the formula unit you are going to write. Say that again. Yeah, sig fig. Okay, so now draw a T-chart. Draw a T-chart and you will start with the given, which is 2 moles of calcium carbonate. And we know that every 1 mole of calcium carbonate has 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 formula unit. You have to use abbreviation, otherwise write the whole thing, okay? I don't care how you are writing. Fun of calcium carbonate. Now, the moles of calcium carbonate is crossed out because we converted into fun now. So 2 times 6 again, what is 2 times 6 is? 2 times 6 is what? 12. But you need how many sig fig? 1. So I will round it 12 to 10. You can write a 10 or 1 times 10 to the power of 24. Formula unit of calcium carbonate. You can write 10 times 10 to the power of 23 or 1 times 10 to the power of 24. Both are correct. Oh.
Oh wait, that doesn't make sense. Because 2 times 6 is 12.
Let's do it, okay? Next one, it is NO2. Is it what type of compound it is? Covalent. So we will call the particles what? Molecules. Oh, missing something. Yeah. So we are going to draw the T-chart. And 4 moles of NO2. We know that every 1 mole of NO2, what? 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 molecules of NO2. And you need the answer in one sig. So it is 6 times 4, 24. So what is the answer again? Yes, 2 times 10 to the power of 24 molecules of what? NO2. No, you have to write the whole thing. Okay, you understand? Anyone need help? Okay, so now I'm going to show you one question which I am going backward. I'll give the particles, then I am going to find the mole. Yes. Yes, I will.
Are you still recording?
Okay, I have a question for my amazing ladies and gentlemen. If you have 10 to the power of 20 divided by 10 to the power of 25 without using the calculator, what is the answer is? 10 to the power of 5? 10 to the power of negative 5. Are you all agree with that? Because, see, hold on a second. If you are dividing, you have to find the difference between the exponent. It's basically 20 minus 25. Otherwise, you can use your calculator, but the problem, see, for denominator, you have to always use what? A parenthesis, otherwise you will get a wrong answer. You understand? Just use this to find the exponent, then normal number divide with the calculator. That will be save your time and that will help you to make not making mistake. Yes.
So if we're doing like the things and it's like 20 to the power of 25 divided by 10 to the power of 20, would it be like 10 to the power of 5?
Yes. So like if you are multiplying 10 to the power of 20 times 10 to the power of 25, you just need to add and write 45. If you are multiplying, you have to add the exponent. If you are dividing, subtract the exponent. Yes.
No, like, what if the number is different? What if it's not 10? What if it's like 10?
Like this.
No, like what if it's like 10 to the power 2 and like 11 to the power 2?
What? You will never get to something like that. You will get only the base 10, okay? You will never get 11. You will never get that. Okay. Okay, let's do this.
Wait, yeah. Why isn't it 1 if you divide 10 by 10?
Oh, okay. What is 10 by 10 is? 1. It's 1 minus 1. It's 0. It's 1. See. Okay, algebra. If you write a number just like this, that means it is 10 to the power of 1. Divided by 10 to the power of 1. 1 minus 1 is 10 to the power of 0. Any number raised to 0 is 1. You have to know all those basic things. Okay, go ahead and write this. 1 mole of a substance contains how many? We are repeating basically the same thing. Or the other way. Okay, someone is going to get a different seat next class. Okay. Okay, you are going to read the question. It says C2H6. You are going to find the moles. The given is this much molecules. You are converting molecules to mole. So I am going to draw a T-chart. And whatever the number given is 3.01 times 10 to the power of 23. And it says molecules of C2H what? C2H6? Yes.
Do we have to fully write out more?
Yeah. You have to write the whole thing. Okay, now I know this is molecules. If it is molecule, that number will go on the bottom. Molecules of C2H6 has 1 mole in it. Okay, this is the place you can use the calculator or use the mental math. 23 divided by 23. What is it? Just 1. 10 to the power of 23 divided by 10 to the power of 23 is 1. So get your calculator and divide 3.01 divided by 6.02. Yes. It is 1/2. 1/2 is 0.5. But there is a problem if you write 0.5. How many sig fig you needed? 3, which has, you have to add 2 additional 0. Because leading zeros are never significant and the unit is small, identity is C2H6. Yes.
Why is like the bottom right corner? Why does that one say 6.2?
This question?
Yeah.
What's the problem there?
I just don't know why is that there? I don't understand.
Because you had to do it.
I don't understand. I don't know that. Why
Those who are freaking out. Okay, look here. Okay, look here. So I'm going to write, it is a given 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 molecules of water. Formula is what? H2O. I know that every 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 molecules of H2O has how many mole in it? 1 mole. So this is very easy because you can just cross it out because they are all same numbers. So the answer is what? 1. But there is a problem if you write 1. How many sig fig? 1.00 moles of H2O. That is your final answer. That's easy. Okay, let's do the next one then. Everything is easy. 1.20 times 10 to the power of 25 atoms of P. Phosphorus is P. So I know that this many atoms of P will be in how many mole? 1 mole. So this is a place you can use the trick. 25 minus 23 is what? 10 to the power of 2 is there. Then just divide 1.20 with the 6.02. And write the answer with the unit atoms of P. And someone please give me the answer. 0.199 times 10 to the power of 2. Okay, question. So basically we learned everything you needed for the paper assessment, but on your test it will not be breaking down like this. It will be a long question. Okay, next page there are again 7 questions. You are going to do all odd numbers in class, even numbers in home. Okay.